Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we're going to show how you can type with your mouse without even touching your keyboard. So, be ready and let's dive in. Open the Settings app by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. In Settings, go to Easy of Access. Then you'll see the panel, Keyboard, on the left under Interaction. Click the switch next to Use the on-screen keyboard to turn it on. Windows switch on. Press Win plus Control plus O to turn the on-screen keyboard off and on. And that's it. Now you know how to type on your computer without even touching your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.